Oh, this game is amazing! You guys gotta check this one out! Man, is it cool! First up, we have Bubs Collins Mega Man Street Fighter Edition 1.3. Is there any more copyright infringement you can put in this? Alright, let's go ahead and play it. Let's give it its day in court. Start game. You're using Pirates of the Caribbean music in the background. Alright, I'm noping right out of this one. Way too much copyright infringement. The coding on the back end is incredible. Just make sure, switch out the music and the artwork so that you're using your own stuff so that we don't get sued by Namco, Bandai, and Sega, and Disney. Because, well, that's not your stuff. You gotta use your own stuff. This is Nikhil Racing Game from Fremont Hackingtons. So let's go ahead and play it. So we've got space to accelerate. Ooh, that acceleration feels pretty good. Let's go. Whoa, too fast. Whoa, hey. All right, let's back that up. Let's try that again. Let's calm down. Let's breathe. Okay, so let's see if we can actually get through this ridiculous course. There's no way. And then the acceleration, the stopping distance, all that, the professional feel of it is great. I just wish there was some music and some sound effects, like you crash off the road and you get a big crash sound, but there's some good originality. It's a good, fun racing game. Nikhil, this is actually pretty good. I'm having fun playing it, and I want to play it over and over again so I can finally beat it. Webwave Surfers Fruit Ninja. So it's Fruit Ninja. So not super high points in originality, but let's see what the game actually is. All right, I like the music. It's a nice upbeat feel. Ooh, the sound effects when you actually snap through the fruit are so satisfying. It makes me want to just play this game over and over again. And it's difficult enough to where I actually have to think a little bit before I get, and I got the bomb, game over. This is incredible. I really like the feel of the game, the professional artwork. Everything is really making me happy here. Ultimate Coder 75 Zombie Survival. This right here is already making me happy. It's showing that there is a global high score. Granted, the creator of the game has the high score right now, but let's go ahead and play it. So I'm going to click play here, and I can move. Okay, so it's tank control. So, ooh, the instructions fade away. I really like that. Let's go ahead and start killing some zombs. Man, jeez, I cannot aim. All right, so I got that one. All right, so is this gray enemy harder to hit? Oh yeah, it takes multiple hits. That's a super professional touch. The fact that, and the health goes down. That health bar, super hard to do. The coding behind this is incredible. I love the music in the background. The replayability is, it's really high because there's a high score that I need to beat. So does my high score go up the more I kill? Yeah, so I gotta kill all the zombies. I'm gonna get destroyed. This is so much fun to play, and it's an original concept because they did all the sprite work themselves. The artwork and the feel of it is great. I just wish that the music changed on the game over screen. That would be an incredible addition. Here we have Cupcake Maker 2018 by Nucleon. So we see we can use, it's keeping track of who's playing it. Let's go ahead and dive into the game and let's see what's going on here. Ooh, the nice soft jazz music is calming me down. I like that. I could import previous cupcakes I've made, see the top 3 cupcakes and the newest cupcakes. That's a really, really unique touch. Coding behind that is incredible. The artwork actually looks really good too. So let's go ahead and see what this is all about. So I can pick my wrapper here. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the red sprinkles. I'm gonna put it in the oven. That animation makes it feel really professional. I can drag it in the oven and it registers when it's in the oven. The coding there is really good. The sound effects of the oven closing are awesome. Let's go ahead and plate this. And it's not, I know it's not a game, there's no score or anything like that, so I'm gonna have to dock you some points there, but it feels fun to play and it's very relaxing. At the end of a hard day, I'm just gonna come and bake some cupcakes. I just wish I could eat these cupcakes. And the winner this week is Ultimate Coder with the Zombie Survival Game. The replayability was through the roof. Everything scored incredibly well, as you can see from that score sheet. So check your inbox. Awesome job. I love your game. Check your Scratch inbox for their prize. And of course, if you guys want to submit your games, go over to scratchcodeclub.com, submit your URL and your username, and we'll check it out. There were so many cool submissions. It took me forever to get the cream of the crop out of there. So keep rolling them in, keep pumping them in. I love looking at your games. And if you want to learn to build games like this, head over to hackingtons.com, sign up for a free trial, check out our curriculum. We have so much fun building Scratch games. Every day that I come in and I get to work with Scratch coders, it makes me happy. So until next time, build something amazing.